guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the first look for brown. I feel so awkward today because I haven't filmed in almost 2 weeks. Of course you guys won't know this because I have so many videos pre-recorded, but I haven't filmed in 2 weeks, you guys, and that's because pregnancy is getting on my nerves. So I really didn't think I was gonna finish the color theme. I only have brown to do and then red after this. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I'm going to have the strength to finish red, or to even start it, I should say, and I don't even know if I'm going to finish brown. So every upload is going to be a surprise for you guys, and it's going to be a surprise for me because I don't know at the moment on what's going to happen. So like I said, this is the first brown themed look, and I also decided for brown and red I'm not going to do 5 looks, I'm not going to do 6 looks. I decided I'm just going to cut it down just a little bit, and I'm only going to do 4 looks for each color, which would be brown and red, because these were like the least colors. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't find anything to wear in my closet or even on the website, so I am working with what I have. Today I do have on a new dress, I'm going to be wearing a new dress, and I got it from Shein. It's really pretty, but it's like a brown tie-dye dress mixed with other colors. On the website it looked like it was going to be strictly just brown, and I was like, ooh, I already have my makeup planned out, so I want to do a brown smoky eye with that look. But now that I've seen it in person and tried it on, I'm like, oh, is it really brown? Looks more orange to brown, but anywho, I am still going to do a brown look. And as for brown theme, I think I decided I am going to try to do brown looks, or brown incorporated in each look. Yeah, so today we're going to be doing a look using the JUVIAS chocolate palette, and I just want to do a nice shimmery brown smoky eye. So that's what I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you guys can get up close and personal. So the first shade I want to jump in with is going to be this shade. I think this one is a lot more darker than this one, and I tried this so many times, so I'm going to try this shade first. I want a really like dark brown look. So I'm going to pop this right in my crease. Y'all, this is so brown, like so deep and dark, it kind of looks like it's black, but I promise y'all it's a brown that I'm putting on my eyelid. I'm going to mix a little bit of the other brown as well, the other dark brown, because this one's scaring me now. It looks like it wants to be a black shadow, and I'm like, no, that's not what I was trying to lean towards. Honestly, with them both being mixed, they look like the same brown. Let me finger swatch. They're pretty much the same identical brown. Just like a hint of a shade difference, but yeah, they're the same. They're the same. Now my stomach, it keeps hitting my table, so it's like so in a way. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm just gonna use this shade to buff out this really deep dark brown. Alright, so I am now going to take a little bit of the shade right here, pretty like shimmery bronze. I'm going to put this all over the lid, or maybe halfway. Let's put her on all over. With nothing added onto the brush, I'm just going to go back in and buff out that color that was in the crease so that it can blend very nicely with this lid color. Alright, so this is what my face is going to be given for the time being. I'm going to quickly do lips and blush. And I'm going to start off with my lips first. Going in with my NYX pencil. Then for my lips, I'm going in with Juvia. This is the shade 2020, which is a really nice like nude color. I'm just gonna quickly blend this out with the lip liner and the lipstick. And then we're gonna go in with some lip gloss. Alright, and then for my blush, I want to go in with the Crown Case blush binder. And I want to go in with this really pretty dark shade right here. Kind of like a purple. I'm just going to pop that. Let's see what it is going to give. I think it's giving the same kind of color as my contour, which is cool. I think I might mix one more shade with this. So I don't want to look like my cheeks got beat up. So let's mix one more shade. And I want to go in with that pink one right here. It's on the same page though. Just pop it just a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like it. I made a mistake and I'm totally going to admit to it because I feel like I can't really fix it because I went in with this color. The first blush, that really dark, plummy, brown, black. I don't know what color it was, but mistake. Alert, mistake. I tried to put the other pink blush that you guys seen on top, and then once I like did everything, sprayed my face, put my outfit on, I was like, why does it look like my cheeks got like knocked out? So what I tried to do to kind of fix it, I went in with the Beauty Bakerie pink blush right on top of all that hot mess just to bring color back into my face and not a beat up cheek. It looks a little bit better, but if I can redo this, I will definitely go in with my traditional blush colors, which is my pinks and my oranges, but nothing like that. So yeah. But anywho, this is the look. I hope you guys like it. I really like this nice little glamour shimmery smoky eye. And then off camera I did go in with a inner tear duct color, and this is just the ColourPop Super Shock color. I think that's pretty much it. Now let's get into this outfit, y'all. I really love my outfit today, and like I said, I thought it looked more brown online, but as you guys can see, it's giving fall vibes. Definitely fall vibes because we had a lot of oranges in there, and you can still see the brown mixed in with the other shades that's in here, orange and like burgundy in a sense. So I think it's cute. I think it counts for brown still. I'm sorry for y'all feel like it doesn't, but it's definitely brown just mixed in there and stuff like that. So this is what I came up with. Like I said, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it out. If I'm still pregnant by tomorrow, hopefully I get to film again and I'll do another brown look. If not, then this is it. I don't know how this is going to go, but I think I can squeeze one more weekend of filming. So unless this baby surprised me, you guys, like, this is so funny because I don't know how soon I have this baby, and it's gonna be funny how long it takes for y'all to see this. Today is actually August 11. You guys probably won't see this until September because of how I upload my videos, but that would be good because I don't think I'm gonna do any type of filming once I get to the end of August. September is just definitely gonna be my free month of not doing anything, just getting stuff prepared and ready for the baby, and yeah, slowly moving things. Y'all know I'm moving, yes. And I think that's pretty much it. That's what I'm gonna do for September. September's rest day, getting things together, and then we'll be back on jumping wagon hopefully for October. If not, then I'll see y'all when I see y'all. But anywho, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video.